Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen from Maggie at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Maggie noodles, 2 cups of water, and any fresh vegetables you enjoy. Begin by boiling the water in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add the Maggie noodles and the included seasoning packet. Stir gently and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are tender. To truly elevate your Maggie ramen, consider adding some simple ingredients. A perfectly soft boiled egg adds wonderful richness and protein. For an extra layer of umami, stir in a tablespoon of soy sauce or a dash of sesame oil. Fresh green onions or cilantro provide a bright, fresh finish. You can also make it a full meal by adding cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Boosting the nutritional value and texture of your Maggie ramen is easy with vegetables. Sautéing mushrooms and bell peppers beforehand brings out their flavor. Blanching spinach or bok choy for about 1 minute ensures they are tender but still vibrant. Frozen peas or corn can be added during the last minute of cooking. Thinly sliced carrots or cabbage also provide a delightful crunch. Once your delicious Maggie ramen is ready, serve it immediately in a warm bowl to enjoy it at its best. Don't hesitate to customize the spice level with a pinch of chili flakes or a drizzle of sriracha sauce. For a different flavor profile, try using chicken or vegetable broth instead of just water. A final sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds adds a lovely aroma and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.